Good morning, Namaste. My appeal to the Prime Minister of India. Mr. Modi, it's such a shameful thing that your alliance partner, that Prajwal Ravenna, grandson of Mr. H.D. Devagowda, the ex Prime Minister of this country again, has stooped to such low acts. And you are shaking your hands with such crooks. And you talk about Swachh, you talk about clean politics. Mr. Modi, you are only dealing with all corrupt crooks in this country. Most of the members whom I know, from Tamil Nadu especially, are all goons. Either they are brothel owners or bootleggers, or they would have done some fraud and they would have got asylum in the BJP. Mr. Modi, again, you shake hands with that hired killer in Tamil Nadu, John Pandian. He's a hired killer. Okay? And these are the people you entertain and you talk about clean politics. Shame on you again. The people are suffering. And your candidate from Coimbatore, that Annamalai, what good has he done? For the last 2 years, the people in Tamil Nadu, especially in Coimbatore district, all the MSMEs in the small, because of your stupid, silly GST. There was a time when you said that over my dead body, the GST will not be implemented, and then you yourself implemented it. So you are such a contradictory person. You talk lies and lies and lies all the while. And why are you so bothered about the Congress manifesto? I am no supporter of the Congress, but then we will talk when you talk nonsense. It is their manifesto they have released. You release your manifesto where you said my guarantee. Who wants your guarantee? Your guarantee failed. In 2014, you gave a guarantee. In 2019, you gave a guarantee. And then again, you want 2 more years of guarantee nonsense? Another 5 years, sorry. All that you're talking like a madman because you know you're going to be defeated. In that, you're talking rubbish. See, I am no fan of Rahul or Priyanka. In fact, I don't like them. But then my heart goes out for them. For the last 2 years, both those children are talking sensibly. They can also dress up and behave like one thing because what was said and done, their great grandfather, they were born with a golden spoon. We go to the mud. You go and I'll also go. We'll all go to the mud. Mr. Modi, you are such a Joomla master. Stop your nonsense. We people are fed up. You politicians of every party are highly corrupt. And shame on you. You are taking all the corrupt fellows from all the other parties and then you're talking about their corruption. Where does that corruption go when you take them? People like Ajit Pawar and that Chavan and Praful Patel and blah 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 blue from Calcutta or from any other place. And then you threaten all the candidates and you buy them out and then you say declaring all your party people as elected. Then we don't need to have this expenditure on elections. You can just do that. Stop all the election. The money will not be wasted. Our taxpayers' money will not be wasted and be used for good development works. That is not becoming of a prime minister, the way you're talking. Your body language and your voice modulation is horrible. Please stop. Stop all this, like a buffoon. You're behaving like a buffoon. Buffoons behave like that. I'm sorry I have to say that. I've seen prime ministers right from Jawaharlal Nehru. None of the prime ministers behave the way you're behaving. Your language, the way you're talking, your voice modulation is most unbecoming. And here you're shaking hands with all the bloody crooks and you're garnering votes for crooks, rapists, murderers, bootleggers. Anyway, the Tamil Nadu election is over. But don't think you'll have an easy time. Maharashtra will teach you a lesson. Bihar will teach you a lesson. Even Gujarat will teach you a lesson. Rajasthan will teach you a lesson. Punjab, Delhi, and the Northeast full. Don't think it's going to be easy for you. People have seen through you. Once you can fool, twice you can fool, third time you cannot fool. Mr. Modi, if you really have a conscience and you are a true Hindu, you keep saying Hinduism, Hindu. I am also Hindu. But I don't hate any of the other religions because for me, it is one God. I pray to everyone as one God. I don't like this fighting over religion and caste. Keep all that people in public life, keep all that in your homes. Don't bring it to your public life. Stop this nonsense. Stop this fighting over religion and caste. Think of development. There are so many people still suffering. You are talking of Beti Padho and Beti Bachao, and here this bloody fellow Ravana has raped and harassed. And he's got 3,000 less, I mean, whatever number of videos, I stand corrected of the numbers. But these are the videos he has come up. Are you not ashamed to be aligning with such fellows? Birds of a feather flock together. So it applies to you also, I think then. That's what my God says. My Krishna says, you're not above board.